If your goal is a skin that is brighter, vibrant, healthy, and glowing, then this video is for you. My skincare routine isn't perfect, but it is consistent, and that is what has helped me to build brighter, healthier skin over time. Hi, beautiful people. I am Sandra Ejike, and I'm sharing my real life skincare routine that keeps my skin radiant and vibrant. No hype, just results. From my exfoliation to my soap to my lotion to my body oil. Let me show you how I keep my skin glowing all week long. Let's dive into it. I'll be sharing with you my complete body care routine, products I use and how I use them on a typical day. Like days I made up my mind I want to pamper my skin, I want to care my skin, I want to give my skin that attention. Yes. So I'm going to show you all the products I use and how I use them. This is not something I do every day. No, I don't do it every day. I do it, let's say, twice in a week. But I make sure that I take out these days to care for my skin, to give my skin the attention, the pampering it deserves. So as someone that wants to achieve a brighter, beautiful, glowing skin, you have to map out a day in the week to pamper your skin. Your skin deserves pampering as well. Yes. So the first thing I go in with before I start every other product is a soap, and a soap that has the right ingredients. I newly introduced this. It's not up to a month in my routine now because I noticed I'm having some dark spots in some areas, so I decided to introduce this clear dark spots Carotte and Papaya Glycerin Lightening Soap. This transparent soap. This soap contains good ingredients like carrot, papaya, and some other nice ingredients that will target dark spots, hyperpigmentations, blemishes, take them off completely off your skin. If you consistently use this soap, it is going to like smoothing your skin. It has a very nice fragrance. It is very silky on the skin. It's going to give you a soft, smooth skin if you consistently use it. Like I've used it, it's not up to a month, but it's, let's say, 2-3 weeks now. And I can tell you, I used to have this soft feeling after using it. It used to give me this pampering. It used to give me this refreshed skin. Yes, I used to feel refreshed after using the soap. This soap is so nice and it smells really nice. I just started using this soap not up to a month, guys, but I'm loving it. Like, I love this soap. I love how it makes my skin to feel. It is very silky. Like, it is not harsh at all. A sensitive skin person can use it. Tough skin, whatever skin type you have, you can use it. And it is gradually fading the dark spot that made me to buy it. It contains papaya enzyme, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin and get rid of dead skin cells. It has carrot oil, carrot extract, which helps to gently brighten the skin, get rid of dull looking skin. This soap is loaded, guys. If you're looking for that perfect soap that is very gentle on the skin, but will fade your hyperpigmentation, stretch mark, blemishes, pamper your skin without stripping off your skin natural barrier, something that is very gentle and calm on the skin, you can use this. Sensitive skin person can use this. Whatever skin type you have, you can use. It is suitable for all skin type. It is very mild on the skin, but it gets the job done. I've used this for up to 3 weeks now, and I can tell you for a fact, for free, that this soap is good, guys. Go and get yours now. This clear dark spots, carrot and papaya glycerin lightening transparent soap. Go and get your soap. This soap is so good, guys. I've used it and I'm telling you from my own personal experience. After using my soap, the next thing I go in with is a body scrub because, guys, I need to get rid of dead skin cells. I told you that if you don't scrub your skin will never shine. Yes, dead skin cells will block your skin from shining. It will not allow your skin to glow, so we have to get rid of it. Buy your body scrub based on your skin type. If you don't know your skin type yet, go and watch this video where I talk extensively on how to know your skin type. So after watching the video, then you come back and join us. You see this body scrub, use it to exfoliate your skin because I use my own once or twice in a week. Although I have chemical exfoliant, I use Amlactin body lotion, but I don't use it all the time. Some days when I feel like, yes, I need to physically exfoliate my skin because it is not, I don't used to like, you get, I use this to physically exfoliate my skin to unclog my pores and get rid of dead skin cells so that my products, other products I'm using can penetrate and work. Yes, I do it at least once in a week. Once in a week, I use my body scrub. So get your body scrub, the one that is suitable for your skin type, because it is not all body scrub that is suitable for all skin type. If you have an oil skin, you can use a salt scrub. What I'm trying to explain now is to benefit you in case you don't know. If you have an oil skin, you can use a salt scrub. If you have dry skin, you can use sugar scrub. If you have sensitive skin, you can use chemical exfoliants. Use it to exfoliate your skin so that your skin can glow, so that other products can penetrate, so that other products can work. Because if you don't unclog your pores, like I said, I don't play with this. This body scrub, I use it at least once in a week to get rid of dead skin cells, because dead skin cells will not allow my skin to shine, and I need to shine. Yes, guys. So I use this to get rid of dead skin cells, to exfoliate myself, to unclog my pores, so that every other product I use in my routine can work and work effectively well. So after exfoliating my skin, the next thing I go in with is a hydrating and moisturizing shower gel. Something that will bring in moisture, something that will bring in hydration back to my skin. Because sometimes after scrubbing your skin will dry out. So you need something that will bring in the lost moisture into your skin. So I go in with this Fruizer moisturizing shower cream. Guys, this is double moisturizer. Yes, this is going to moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, give it a supple plump skin. This is like very hydrating. It has goat milk in it and some other good ingredients. Goat milk will help to soothe your skin, to calm your skin, to pamper your skin, to nourish your skin. When I tell you about a product, I'm not here to hype any product. I'm telling you my experience on the product, because these are products I've used, I'm still using, I'm currently using. So whatever I tell you about this product, I'm telling you from my personal experience now, not as a skincare vendor. No, this will nourish your skin. This will pamper your skin. This will give you a supple effect on your skin. It is going to glow your skin. This is not a lightening shower gel. For those of you that want to lighten, it will not lighten your skin. Forget the whitening that is written on it. It will not do it. It is not going to whiten your skin. It is not going to lighten your skin. It will only pamper your skin, nourish your skin, and that is it. It will not do anything more than nourishing, hydrating, giving you that soft, supple, smooth skin. So when you see the whitening, forget about it. It will not whiten your skin. So after my shower gel, the next thing I go in with is my body lotion. I decided to try out this Vaseline Gluta HYA body lotion for close to 1 month now. Yes, I decided to try it out because after my research, I discovered that this product has so many anti-aging benefits. It contains peptide, it contains hydrolyzed collagen, it contains niacinamide. This product also it has a lot of benefits. Guys, it has a lot of anti-aging benefits. Yes, that is why I decided to try it out, to try it on my skin, so I can come back and give you people all the review that you need to know about this product. This is going to hydrate your skin. This is going to pamper your skin. This is going to give you that plump, supple skin. This contains hyaluronic acid, and you know that hyaluronic acid hydrates the skin, give it that plump, soft effect on your skin. Yes, this is going. It contains glutathione. It contains niacinamide, which the combination of two is going to brighten up your skin and give it that beautiful, brighter, pronounced skin. It also contains peptide and hydrolyzed collagen, which target anti-aging skin, wrinkles, fine lines, and all. So I decided to try out this lotion, and this is what I use on my skin presently. Like, let me be honest with you. Immediately after applying this lotion on your skin, you will notice that your skin is looking very smooth, very silky, very soft. Yes, it will give you instant hydration. Once you apply this lotion on your skin, it will give you instant hydration. I'm not telling you that someone told me. I'm telling you my personal experience on this lotion. This gives that instant hydration on the skin. It's going to make your skin to come alive. Yes. So I love this lotion. I just started using it. It's not up to a month, but I'm still loving this lotion. And I think I will continue with it. Those of you that know me too well, you know I've been using only vitamin C for some time now. But I was thinking of something I can try so that I can give a personal direct review on it. So I decided to try out this lotion since it's not something that is harsh. It doesn't contain like strong harsh ingredients in it that's going to harm my skin. I decided to give it a try. The ingredients contained here are a moderate proportion, like They are very mild and gentle on the skin. This is not going to lighten you, please. If you're looking for a lightening body lotion, it will not do it. It will not lighten your skin. It will only glow your skin, like brighten up your skin. It will give you a more pronounced skin. If your skin is looking very dull and you just want something that will pronounce your natural skin tone, it will do it. It is going to hydrate your skin. If your skin is lacking hydration, this will help you out. So buy this, use it consistently on your skin. It is going to bring back hydration to your skin. It is going to nourish your skin. It is going to give you that beautiful, vibrant skin you want. This will help you. Then after this body lotion, the next thing I go in with is a body oil. I don't play with my body oil. Those of you that know me too well, you already know that I don't joke with a body oil. You cannot achieve that glow you want without a good body oil to seal in moisture. Yes, body oil is going to help you seal in moisture. This is the body oil I use, Neutrogena body oil. Those of you that know me too well, you already know this oil, so it's not new. This body oil is very hydrating. It sinks deep into the skin. Like once you apply it on your skin, it will disappear. It doesn't clog the pores. It doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy or oil that people know you have oil. It gives that glow finish, and that is one thing I love about this oil. And it smells so nice. This oil contains nourishing ingredients that will nourish your skin, pamper your skin, and glow your skin. So if you're looking for a good body oil to add to your routine, then you can add this, because this will get the job done. Notice, not a lightening oil, it's not going to lighten your skin. But when I tell you a product is going to glow your skin, an oil that will glow your skin, that will not clog your pores, that will hydrate your skin, that will do exactly what it promised to do, this is the body oil, Neutrogena body oil. Do you see my skin? Do you see how my skin is glowing, giving exactly what it should? That is the power of Neutrogena oil. I've used this oil for some years. I've used this body oil for some years, and I'm not giving up anytime soon, because I love how it smells. I love how it feels on my skin. It gives me that nourishing, hydrated, glowing skin. I love this oil so much. So you can add this to your routine as well. After applying your body oil, you will notice that your skin will start glowing. And if you consistently do it, because skincare is not magic. Skincare is not something you sleep and wake up and you have a changed skin. It is something that needs consistency and patience. So if you want to achieve a good skin, my sister, you need to be consistent and you need to be patient with your skin. It takes time to achieve good things. And I tell you the truth, your skin will definitely come by. If you find this particular video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it, hit the subscription button, and turn on notification bell so you'll be notified once I post a new video. In my next video, I'll be talking about brightening body oils that will help you up your skincare game. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscription button so you'll be notified once I post a new video. I love you and see you in my next video. Bye.